Nature. All the beautiful things on planet Earth, plants, animals, birds, mountains and rivers, are part of nature. The gifts of nature are indeed incountable. It provides us with shelter, resources and much more. The beauty of nature fills our hearts with joy and peace. And most important of all, nature is what supports life. Forests give us air to breathe, while rivers and lakes give us water to drink. Nature keeps the cycle of life going on. However, in recent years, the exploitation of nature by humans has led to dire consequences. Deforestation and pollution have adversely affected nature, creating a deep wound that will take many years to heal. Thus, we must try our best to protect nature from further harm. To conclude, it is our responsibility to protect the beauty of nature, and we must never forget it.